When you put a finger to your dog. My idiot dog.
The fucking squirrel is back. It look evil as fuck. I'm terrified. Oh my god. Oh my god. Yes, you bitch.
Nita. Hi. You making daddy feel bad. You crying at me.
사람 어땠어? 사람 어땠어? 오, 낭했다네. 맞아. 사람 어땠어?
Hi, my name is Yan Mudli. These are my parents. My student number is 1761029. So how do I start my day? Every day I wake up at 5 o'clock and... That's stupid, guys. I wake up at 5 o'clock and I go for a jog.
Hey, please, Daddy. Stop it.
That is it.
Oh.
And then I come back at 6, and at that time my parents wake up, so I make breakfast for everyone.